The verb to walk in English usually translates as
camminare,
in Italian. It derives from the noun
cammino,
walk, journey, which entered the language via the Latin camminus.
camminare. Mi piace camminare per le vie di Torino.
I like walking the streets of Turin. There are a number of ways in which people walk, including
Camminare adagio,
to walk slowly,
camminare in fretta,
to walk quickly,
camminare di buon passo,
to walk at a good pace,
camminare in fila indiana.
to walk single file. The exclamation
Cammina,
walk, in addition to being the imperative form of the second person singular, is also a slightly nicer way of saying
vattene,
get lost or
sbrigati.
hurry up. If it's preceded by ma, meaning but, it becomes an expression of disbelief.
Roberta è una spia, te lo giuro, ma cammina, dai.
Roberta is a spy, I'm telling you. Oh, give me a break. When Italians talk about going on a walk, they don't normally use the verb camminare. Instead, you'll hear them use the expressions
Fare una passeggiata,
or
andare a spasso,
to say they're walking the dog, they'll use
portare il cane a spasso, portare il cane fuori,
You'll also hear the more straight to the point
portare il cane a fare i bisogni, a fare la pipì.
literally to take the dog to do its business or to pee. Occasionally, camminare can also be used as a masculine noun to mean walking or gait.
Il suo camminare avanti e indietro davanti alla casa ha insospettito i poliziotti.
His walking back and forth in front of the house made the policeman suspicious.
Camminare a testa alta.
To walk with a high head. To walk with one's head held high.
Sembrare un morto che cammina.
To look like a dead man walking. To look physically battered and bruised.
Camminare sul velluto.
To walk on velvet. To proceed without encountering great obstacles or difficulties.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.